Hey everybody, this is going to be a pretty short video. Christina came home from the US with what turned out to be COVID, so it spread through our household like wildfire. So what you're getting here is one day on the weekend, and then we were laid out. So it's been a couple days now since that hit, and we're not feeling well. So such is life. We just hunker down and get better, and then we'll move on. But at least in this video you can see me building the rest of the kitchen cabinet. Well, not really building it, but it's already been built, but I'm installing it, and then I put the countertop on it. And it wasn't very much that day because I was actually starting to not feel very good that day too. So hopefully my parents are okay. Enjoy. And we are back for another day at the boss. Today's project is to veneer along. I gotta move the cabinets and everything out and veneer along the edge of the wall. And I'm going to veneer the fronts of the cabinets and probably cut and mount the countertop after I fully install the cabinets into place. That's today's plan. And if I've got time, I'm going to start installing the electrical panels in the back. I've got the 12-volt ones, so I can get going on those, but one thing at a time. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Here we go. Cabinets are veneered. Front edges are veneered, look much better. Cabinets are now installed. Countertop has been cut and installed. Cardboard over to protect it. Put that piece of wallboard up in there where it's going to go underneath the cabinets. I'm going to build cabinets all across there. Another day. This piece that I cut off the countertop is going to make a perfect table back in front of the dog's kennel where we're making that flip up desk. It's going to be perfect. Looking forward to using that back there. That's it for today. I'm gonna go home, have a rest. Christina's quite sick, so she's probably still asleep, which I'm hoping she is because she needs to sleep. Tomorrow when I come back, I'm going to do the 12-volt fuse boxes at the back. Tried to find a 110 panel today at the reuse stores, and they didn't have them. All they had was a household one with 32 breakers. I technically only need 8, so I don't need a 32 panel breaker box. That panel was too big. 32 breakers was way too much. So that's it for today. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be